Hi, I am OrangeIsAI, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to use Sora. Let's get started.
Yeah, my name is OrangeIsAI, and welcome to my channel, OrangeIsAI Tutorials. On this channel, I help beginners understand AI tools so you can create faster and smarter. Today, we're talking about Sora, OpenAI's text-to-video model. It helps turn simple ideas into polished videos with almost no learning curve. Today, I'll be showing you what it is, how it works, and how to start creating your very first video. Let's dive right into it. All right, so let's take a look at the platform. Sora both has a mobile version and it also has a desktop version. You can download the mobile version in the App Store. So let's go ahead and just kind of go through here. So we can kind of describe our video. We can add a cameo. The cameo is something that you set up on your phone. It'll scan your face so that way you yourself can appear in your images. Does this guy look familiar to you guys? Yep, that's me. It's what I did. I think I put the caption drinking coffee in anime. So this is that image of that. Pretty cool. But you can also go to the homepage and see a bunch of different inspiration from a whole bunch of other videos as well. You can kind of select it. You can remix it. How you remix it is, let me go ahead and give it a like. You can remix it by pressing this button here. You hover over and say remix. So instead of a powerful blast, let's say we don't want him to be a monkey. Let's say he's an elephant. Not sure how that will work, but it takes about a minute, 2 minutes to go ahead and create your video. But it's a real easy way to be able to create some videos and just kind of just dive right into it. So I really like it. It's very funny. It's very meme worthy. But what I want to show you guys today is to do things a little bit more structured. You know, as an AI educator, it's my job to give you guys the tools that you need to be able to be successful. So what I want to do is I'm going to give you a custom GPT prompt. A GPT is just something that you basically train a ChatGPT agent to do to be able to follow that structure every single time. So I'm going to leave that in the link below. And this is going to be a prompting GPT. It's by Rourke, Sefton, Mins. And what this does is no matter what I say, it will prompt the Sora video in a timeline capacity. Let me kind of give you an example. What I'll also be doing is using Super Whisper. This allows me to be able to talk my answers instead of having to type it. It's very useful when you just want to kind of just blurt out your thoughts. I always use ChatGPT because ChatGPT is really good at organizing your ideas into getting it into a prompt that you want. So let me go ahead and use this and show you how it works. Create a fashion advertisement for sweaters that say the word AI is life. Something I just completely freestyled off the top of my head. What Super Whisper does is it processes it and it is going to allow for the words to be right here in ChatGPT. Create a fashion advertisement for sweaters that say the word AI is life. I'm going to actually put AI is life in quotations so that way by the time I put it in Sora, they know specifically what I'm looking for. So this is what it's going to do. This is what the GPT does. This is what makes it so significant. It breaks it down into a structure. Instead of you just simply just typing in what you want to see, or a cameo, you know, man on a skyscraper. Even me just typing it, just the process that it takes to even just do that. Sometimes, it could be kind of daunting. So we just want to be more efficient. So, all right. So what this does is it gives you a hook. It gives you the context. It gives you the climax. It gives you the resolution. And this is something that you can copy right here. I'm using the Mac Command C, and you can paste directly in Sora here. So you can paste that directly in Sora. Can I make modifications, changes? Of course. I always copy it from the 0 to 3 seconds hook. I don't copy the vibe or the genre or anything like that. Format 16:9, or let's see what we actually have the format as. The format there doesn't matter, but what matters is what you have it here inside the menu bar. So whether it's landscape, whether it's a portrait, you can do it here. What the prompt is probably giving me is something for landscape. So I do want to make sure that that is the same here. So let's go ahead and paste that. Okay, looks like I didn't fully copy it. Perfect. And we're going to paste. Okay, so I did paste. It just took some time. So yeah, and then from there, we can always just modify it. Soft ambient sense, transition, smooth, crossfade between close-ups. You can also, put in like a notes app or something like that if you want to get a little bit more specific in regards to changing the prompt here. So what I want to do is I just want to run it one more time when it says landscape, since it prompted for landscape, which is 16:9. I just want to see what it comes up with. So let's kind of go to our drafts. We're going to go to our profile, and the video will be in our drafts once they become complete. So it looks like our first video with the remix of of the monkey flying off. It looks like that generated, and it gave me this. Keep in mind, Sora is a little clunky, a little wonky, a little buggy. So whether you're using the phone app or the desktop app, just understand that you just may have some issues when it comes to making sure you're good. So that's the remix. Pretty sure other things probably will work better. Maybe a smaller animal or something like that. That is hilarious. I think that's hilarious. Okay, perfect. So it looks like we got 3 more videos working, and let's see. That is just simply me going to the main menu. Let's go to our drafts. It looks like we got this second video. It's almost going. I think this is the one where I just typed on my screen. I think I said man on the skyscraper. Yeah, a man on the skyscraper right here. And we can always go in and modify this as well, just in case. It looks like that edited again. Let's go ahead, remix, create character. Let's go ahead, remix here. Describe changes. Let's say we want to do a woman. We can make that change as well. You get as creative as you want, but I just want to kind of make it very simplified. It looks like we could edit where in the video certain things appear as well. So this is pretty cool to be able to get good camera angles. All right, so let's kind of go back to our generations. Again, you'll go through drafts here. All right, let's go back to our ChatGPT prompt while that's loading. So let's say I want to say, let's give it something else. Make it that there's animals playing poker inside of a restaurant. Again, Super Whisper allows me to be able to say whatever I want to say in terms of what I want to see. And because I have this GPT activated, it's going to structure things out so that way it is specifically gives me an idea. Now, keep in mind, let's say I wanted to go ahead and let's branch into a new chat here. Let's say I wanted to go ahead and make changes to gentle clinking dishes of soft jazz. Let's say I just want to just add, make the music hip hop instead. You can make the changes that you want to see. Or you can simply just copy and paste the text into a notes app, and you can change the shots, wide shot. Maybe you want a medium shot, and you can make it very specific to what you want it to do. I just wanted to show you guys a good way to be able to format your prompts here. So all right, so it looks like one of our videos, our ads, are complete. So let's just take a look at how detailed this is. I'm gonna play it one more time. Keep in mind, it says AI is life. That's something that I had, wanted to do.
Designed for the future, made for today.
I love it. So let's say we wanted to even just modify it a little bit more. Like this Nova Threads smartware. Let's say I don't really care for that. I wanted to say AI is life at the end. So let's try to find where it gives me it just says it because, it's AI. So you're going to just basically tell it what you want it to do. I don't see where it says Nova Threads at the end, but I can definitely let ChatGPT know. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to put this back into my prompt. I'm going to paste that back. And I'm going to just type in Super Whisper. At the very end, I want you to have the end title card be AI is life and no other text. So at the very end, the end title card is AI is life. And I want everyone to be in the snow, like modify the prompt so that way it's like in the snow. Perfect. So it's doing its thing there. Again, Super Whisper is the audio, the voice to text model that I use. I'll be leaving that in the chat as well. It's a very useful tool when you are simply just rambling as much as I do, but it can also very much structure things the way you want it to be. Text AI is life, crisp and centered. Final end card, final frame, AI is life. Okay, perfect. So I'm going to copy that and we're going to plug that right back into Sora here. As a matter of fact, I'm going to create it instead of remixing this. I'm going to actually create something, a brand new video here, and I'm going to just modify it here. I don't want life to be lowercase. I want it to be case is uppercase that. Dial down confidence. Just scanning through it, simply because we're copying and pasting it. I don't really get too detailed with things. Of course, I want you guys to be detailed when you guys are working through it, but because I'm simply creating something. As a matter of fact, we did the first one portrait. We did the first one portrait. We're gonna do the second one landscape, so that way we can kind of show the differences of each. But get as detailed as you possibly can. It looks like we already have one. So
Designed for the future, made for today.
not bad, right? Not bad. Now, when it comes to like the text, space between AI is life probably could be better. Maybe it'd be nice to have that a little bit smaller. But let's kind of go through and see what other generations. Remember earlier we had the animals playing poker.
When the stakes are fun, every hand is a story.
Love it. Can't go wrong with that. So just to kind of scroll through here. In the settings, we can make our duration either 10 seconds or 15 seconds. Of course, 15 seconds is going to take a little bit more credits. It's going to take a little bit more time. So if you have the Sora Pro version, you can make your generations at a higher quality. So that's just something to remember. So yeah, man, this is a really great platform. Again, if you wanted to add your own things into it, I'm going to put Orange's Media, and I'm actually going to put my prompts that I have with the AI is life. We're going to put that, I want to actually have my own face in there so that way you guys can kind of just imagine yourselves in there as well. Let me just go ahead and put that. I kind of like the portrait stuff a little bit better. It takes up the whole screen. I usually create for social anyway. So let's go ahead and do that. You can add so many different people. You can add all these things that you see, all these different people are people you can add. So if you see Mark Cuban, or you see iJustine, or you see who did I see? I saw Jake Paul. You can create advertisements with just them in it, and it could be something for your business. Like it could be something that you are using to advertise just for your own personal thing. These are some of the videos that I've created. This is a video for. I'm gonna actually mute the tab. Right click, mute tab. It's not going to play the audio. This is a 1994 Chevrolet ad that I was able to create inside Sora. So keep in mind, look, it got all the branding and everything, so this stuff you can really use for your business. But it's going to just definitely take some time, get creative. As you see, you don't typically see a lot of copyrighted stuff in regards to at least what I could create, but I do sometimes go into it and I see other people's stuff that they've already created, and I'll remix those and I'll come up with whole brand new ideas. So let's see what our drafts come up with. Oh, just another thing too. If you want to have your content published to the main profile so that way people can kind of see it and comment on it after it's in the drafts and you're happy with it, you just click post and that's going to put your video on the main home feed so that way other people can view your videos as well. Like, this is dope. I would probably remix that. Again, it's very glitchy, buggy, but it's some really cool stuff that you can create with it. Let's go back to my drafts here. See what's created. This is my landscape look. I'm going to unmute this. This should say AI is life at the end. So let's see if it did that. There you go. There you go. That's a brand. That's your brand that you can kind of text the video and do it for. I think that's a really incredible thing. So what I want to do is I actually want to use this video for the intro. Let's see. It's an intro video of me. Shouldn't be in my drafts no more. I'm going to show you guys where this. There we go. So this right here.
Today, hi, I am OrangeIsAI, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to use Sora.
In my preparation, I went ahead and created that yesterday just to see how it functions. Now, let's say I want to go ahead and it's vertical. Obviously, I want to make this landscape so that way it can take up the full screen on YouTube when you guys watch the video. So expect to see that in the beginning. So yeah. All right, perfect. So let's go ahead and look at our last generation here. It's going to be in our drafts. So yeah, Sora is pretty amazing, especially when you have like a structure or an idea. This channel is really built on trying to create advertisements that can then turn around and make you guys money. So that way you can definitely be able to utilize this as much as possible. While those things are loading, I'm going to type in enhancer. What this does is it actually removes the logo, the AI logo on Sora. I don't have a subscription as of yet, but what it does is, you could sign up to get a trial, and what it does is it removes. Let's go ahead, mute that. What it does is it goes ahead and removes the Sora tag from your videos. So enhancer AI, I'll go ahead and leave that in the description as well. But let's go ahead and take a look at our last prompt here. Looks like we're almost done. I'm gonna actually, because I think the last one is the video. So this is me putting myself in it.
Made for today.
Okay, I have no idea what happened to the text, but
For the future. Made for today.
my face. Okay. All right, so what are your thoughts on Sora? Could you see yourself using it in the future? If you guys have any questions about the video that you just saw, please leave them in the comments below. And until next time, y'all, peace.